Are you considering creating a cross-platform app? Are you confused about which cross-platform language to use? Worry not, I'm here to assist you in making the right decision. However, you must first understand what a cross-platform app is before settling on a language. Applications that run on many operating systems are known as cross-platform apps. Cross-platform app development has been popular and is attracting the attention of a variety of developer communities. The key reason why people choose cross-platform app development is that it allows them to have a futuristic approach in a short amount of time. One of the most popular cross-platform language is React Native. Facebook created the React Native framework in 2013. The origins of React Native prompted the community to invest in the framework's development. It was a tool for creating a web-based user interface using JavaScript. This framework includes a variety of tools and best practices for web developers. To create mobile apps for both Android and iOS, React Native employs several UI blocks. As a result, developers can simultaneously see their code and implementation on their mobile screen with React Native. So, let's look into some of the essential advantages of React Native, which makes it ideal choice for cross-platform app development. But before that, subscribe to ForceBold's channel, like this video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss any updates. Now, let's explore the benefit of using React Native elements. The first benefit of React Native is that it is cost-effective. React Native allows you to create cross-platform applications without making a hole in your pocket. Nearly half of the code written when an app is created can be used on several platforms. In addition, there are lower costs associated with quality assurance in the cross-platform application development process. The second benefit of utilizing React Native is that it has a greater reach. Mobile app serves as a promotional and sales platform for many firms. You can design cross-platform software that is highly useful for the owners using React Native. Also, it will help you reach a broader audience with React Native apps. You can simultaneously target the iOS and Android audiences market with a single app. Reusability of code is the third benefit of React Native. This framework is convenient as it eliminates the need for developers to create different mobile apps for each platform. Thus, React Native helps a firm save time and money. Furthermore, when a company already has a React Online app, the process is made easier because the same code may be utilized to create a mobile app. Before moving ahead, I would like you to let me know in the comments below that how React Native is assisting you with your app development projects. Last but not least, benefit of React Native is that it comes with a simple user interface. As a result, the front-end development using the React Native platform is quite impressive. Because this is an open-source JavaScript framework, the user interface is simple and many developers favor it. In addition, React Native allows for faster loading times and more responsive user interface designs. With these four benefits of React Native, we can certainly state that this framework is ideal for developing cross-platform applications. The advantages of adopting React Native are numerous, and it has made life easier for developers as well. It has certain flaws, but it is still in its growth stage, and with time, it will undoubtedly overcome these flaws and improve. Want to get started with creating cross-platform application with React Native, but unable to get the proper assistance? Feel free to contact the ForceBold's team of experts. Also, do let us know your feedback on this informative video in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned with ForceBold's YouTube channel for more such informative content on different programming languages, and don't forget to subscribe to us.